If your Omron scale is giving wrong readings, not syncing, or acting glitchy, a reset usually fixes it in under a minute. First, step off the scale completely and make sure it's on a flat, hard surface. Uneven floors or carpet can cause bad readings even after a reset. Next, remove the batteries from the scale. Leave them out for at least 30 seconds. This fully clears the internal memory and resets the sensors. After that, put the batteries back in. Place the scale on the floor and do not step on it yet. Wait until the display shows 0 or turns off on its own. This lets the scale recalibrate. Now step on the scale once and let it complete a full measurement. Step off and wait for the screen to turn off again. This finalizes the reset process. If you're using a Bluetooth Omron scale and it's not syncing, open the Omron app and delete the scale from the device list. Then repair it by adding the scale again inside the app, not through your phone's Bluetooth menu. If readings are still inconsistent, replace the batteries with brand new ones. Weak batteries are one of the most common causes of scale errors. Quick recap: remove the batteries, wait 30 seconds, reinstall them, let the scale recalibrate on a flat surface, and repair in the app if needed. Like and subscribe if I helped you.